How to fix why you can't send friend requests on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a few reasons why you cannot send a friend request on Facebook. But before we do that, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. Alright, let's get right into it. The very first thing that you have to do is open up your Facebook. Now, if you're trying to send a friend request to any famous person, that is probably likely that you are not able to send them any friend requests. So for example, if I just search for Mark Zuckerberg here I do not have an option to send him a friend request, but I just have a follow option. Because these kind of profiles are business profiles on Facebook, which typically do not have the add friend button on their profile. So here is another example. If I just tap on this account right here, which is relatively um, low on followers count, but it still doesn't have the follow button. But if this still happens with some of your friends, then that probably means they have set their profile in this way so that no one will be able to send them friend requests. So I'm just going to show you right here. If I go ahead and tap on my profile view as, so others will see my profile like this. That means they also don't have the option to add friends because I have set up my settings like this. So that is probably the few reasons why you cannot send friend requests on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.